I always kept the power to my doorbell off because I didn't want to be disturbed. More than a few times, someone would ring the doorbell, and because I did not respond in a New York minute, they would leave. I would open the door, and no one was there. Today, for the first time in years, I turned on the doorbell. Within seconds, Jehovah's Witnesses materialized. They must have sensed the doorbell's power surge. No thanks. This is Trivial Mundania, where ordinary moments transform into absurd stories.